guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be swatching all my Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lips. So I think I'm going to start like a new series on here where I swatch my Colourpop lip products. So today I'm doing Ultra Glossy Lips, then next time I might do Ultra Matte Lips, then we've got lippy sticks to swatch, lippy pencils to swatch, Ultra Blotted Lips, the Luxe lipsticks. So we have lots of Colourpop things to swatch. And I've done swatch videos in the past, but they've kind of all been jumbled up. I've kind of done like whatever I bought in the haul, I just swatched those. But today I'm going to categorize them. So today I am doing the Ultra Glossy Lips. I've tried to put them in order. I've done like nudes first, then pinks, then darker. But they kind of just random. And this is just a swatch video. There's no really review. I mean, you probably know if you watch my channel that I love these Ultra Glossy Lips. But today is just a swatch video. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so those were all my swatches of my Ultra Glossy Lips by Colourpop. Those are all the shades that I have. I know there's a lot more shades that you can buy, but those are the ones that I have. So I thought I'd swatch them for you today. So if you are looking to buy some new shades, I hope this was helpful in helping you decide which ones to buy. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos, and check out all my Colourpop videos too. And leave a comment down below as well of your favourite shade of the Ultra Glossy Lips. So leave that in the comments for me. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!